Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to transfer your Litecoin from Gemini to Kucoin in 2025, you're in the right place. With the crypto world evolving fast, including new regulations and enhanced security features, this step-by-step guide will help you do it safely and efficiently. Let's dive in. First off, make sure you have accounts set up on both Gemini and Kucoin. Start by logging into your Gemini account. It's super important to use two-factor authentication for added security, especially with 2025's stricter crypto rules. Once you're in, head over to the Withdraw or Transfer section. Select Litecoin from your list of assets. Now, you'll need the Kucoin wallet address. Log into your Kucoin account in a new tab and go to your wallet. Copy the Litecoin deposit address carefully to avoid any mistakes. Back on Gemini, paste that address into the withdrawal form. Double-check everything. The amount you're sending, the network, it should be the Litecoin network, and any fees involved. In 2025, you might see updated fee structures, so keep an eye on that to minimize costs. Hit the Withdraw button and confirm the transaction with your security measures. Gemini will process it, which usually takes a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. While you wait, monitor the transaction on a blockchain explorer like Litecoin's official one to track its progress. Once it's done, hop back to Kucoin and refresh your wallet. Your Litecoin should appear shortly. And just like that, you've successfully transferred your assets. Remember, always stay cautious. Crypto transfers are irreversible, so verify details twice. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto tips. Drop a comment below if you have questions. See you in the next video.